Hello everyone. Today I am going to show you University Dormitory Management System project using Java Swing. The main functionality of this project is only admin like manager access the system. If the admin successfully log in, after that admin can manage all the operations like add new room, manage rooms, add new student, manage students, store students dormitory fees data, add new employee, manage employees, store employee salary data, something like that. Used software tools in this project like Apache Net-Beans IDE, MySQL Workbench for database storage, and I have used some additional jar files, RS Calendar, JCalendar, MySQL Connector, JCommon, and JFreeChart. Let's see my University Dormitory Management Project database. My University Dormitory database name is University Dormitory. You can see there are 10 tables in the University Dormitory database. Admin, international employees, international employee salary, international students fees, local employees, local employee salary, local students, local student fees, and room. In the admin table, you can see only 2 admins. Let's move ahead and run the project. If admin want to get inside the University Dormitory Management System, admin need to provide a username and password. Admin cannot access without username and password. Now, if I click the login button without giving any username and password, here username and password requirement sign is visible. Now I will give a username. After given a username, you can see the username requirement sign is invisible, but still password requirement sign is visible. Now I also give password, but I don't give a correct password. I am giving a wrong password. If you want to see the password, then click on the checkbox. Then the password is visible. And I click login button, then show failed message, incorrect username and password. Also, if I provide a wrong username, then show same type of login failed message. Now I provide a correct username and password, then click login button. Here you can see this is my dormitory management system dashboard. Here you can see the logout option. If I click here, then show G option pane, show confirm dialog message, do you want to log out now? If I click yes, then redirect to the login page, and here display the admin username. Here you can see all the functionalities like add room, manage rooms, new student, manage students, dormitory fees, living students, lived students, new employee, manage employees, employee salary, working employees, and lived employees. And you can see when mouse pointer enter add room components boundary, mouse enter event occurs on the component, and the mouse entered method of the mouse listener object is called. Then the JPanel background color changes when the mouse pointer leaves the boundaries of the component. Mouse exit event occurred, and the mouse exit method is called. Then it's changed to the default color. Dormitory management dashboard area, you can see how many rooms are available, how many rooms are already booked, and how many local students are lived, also international students, and also see how many local students are lived, also international students. And you can see how many local employees are working and also international employees. And last, you can see how many local employees are not working, and also C, international employees are not working. Here you can see pie chart, circular graph, which is divided into 4 sectors. Of each sector represents the size of the local students data, local students leave data, international students data, international students leave data. Below pie chart, you can see 2 buttons, student and employee. If I click the employee button, then show employee data visualization. If I click the student button, then show student data visualization. By default, student button is selected when I run the project. Here you can see line chart or line graph display information as a series of student and employees data point connected by straight line segments. Line chart show student and employees data changes at equal time frequency. Here you can see bar chart. Bar chart use different orientation, horizontal or vertical. I use the vertical bar chart to show comparison in various categories of students. One axis of the chart shows the specific domain being compared, and the other represents discrete values. Now let's see the project functionalities. Add room. If I click add room, you can see that the add room text color has changed. Also, I can move the JFrame, and if I close the JFrame, then it shows the default color. I can search room number here. Search field placeholder is showing enter room number. But remember that here, if I input the character here, it will be not taken. Only it can take digit. Also here, room number 1014 is available here. Let's search room number 1032. You can see the room number 1032 is not available. Let's add a new room 1032 and room number active status yes. Then click the save button. You can see a message, new room number added successfully. Previously 3 rooms available here, now 4 rooms are available here. Now again insert room number 1032 and click the save button, then show a message, this room number already exists. Now add another room number 1033 and room active status insert no, then click the save button. You can see a message, new room added successfully. But the available room numbers did not increase because the 1032 room number status is inactive. We cannot keep any students here. Now if I click the save button without giving any room number, then show a message, room number is missing. Manage rooms. Here I can update and delete room number, but if the room number is booked, then I cannot update and delete the room number. Only I can update and delete the room number when it is not booked. If I click on a row in a table, then values of that row are shown here. The values are changing here as I click on different rows. Now I will update room number 1006, but you can see this room status is booked. Now I click on the update button. Here you can see a warning message, update command is not allowed because this room is already booked. If I also delete this room, you can see again a warning message. Delete command is not allowed because this room is already booked. Let's see room number 1033. This room number status not booked. Now I select the room active status yes and click on the update button. Then you can see a message, room active status successfully updated. Here you can see changed the room active status. You can see the room number has increased here. Now I delete this room number. Here you can see display a message. Are you sure to delete this room? If I click yes, then this room number will be deleted. If I click no, then this room won't be deleted. Now I click yes, then show a message, room number successfully deleted. Here you can see decrease a room number. If I click on the clear button, all fields below will be cleared. New student. Here I used J-tabbed pane because you can see two categories of students here, local students and international students. When I add international students, I need some extra information, so I used J-tab pane. If I want to add a new student, I have to provide data in each of the fields. Let's add a new local student. I give a name and I click on the save button. Here you can see a message, student date of birth is missing. Now I give a date of birth. If I provide a date of birth in the future and click on the save button, here you can see show a message, no student from future are allowed. Now I give a valid date of birth. I am providing random information, father's name, mother's name, gender, email. If I provide an email address, something like that, then click on the save button, then show a message, invalid email address. Now I give a valid email address. Phone number, university ID, university name, address, degree program, and room number. You can see 4 rooms are available now. Currently we have 8 local students. You can see the changed when I click on the save button. Now I click on the save button, new student added successfully, and here you can see now we have 9 local students. Now I also add a new local student and I give random information, name, date of birth, father's name, mother's name, gender, email. Notice here I provide a phone number which I already used. University ID, university name, address, degree program, and room number. Now I click on the save button. Here you can see a warning message. This phone number already exists. One phone number, only one student can be added, not more than one, because the phone number is our primary key. We cannot insert a duplicate phone number. Now I change the phone number and click on the save button. Here you can see new student added successfully. Let's see international students. Here you can see all the information is similar to the local students. Only two extra information have been taken, country and passport number. Here I used a similar insert values validation checker look like local students. So I won't show it again. We already saw it before. Now I add a new international student and I give random information, name, date of birth, father's name, mother's name, email, phone number, university ID, university name, country, passport number, address, degree program, add room number. Here you can see we have 6 international students. Now click on the save button. Here you can see a new student added successfully. Now we have 7 international students and now we have 1 room is available. Now I click on the manage room. Room number 1032 active. Status is yes. I change to active status no and update. Now we have no available room. Now I want to add a new student here. You can see display a message. All rooms are already booked. If I click OK, then close add student JFrame, we will not be able to add a new student. Manage students. Here I can manage students information and also I can delete students. If I want to edit a particular student information, then I have to provide the student phone number. Without given phone number, I cannot see anything. Now I provide a phone number 303030 and click on the search button, and then here you can see all the information about the 303030 student. Here I can edit all the information except the phone number. I edit the name and status lived and click on the update button. Here you can see a message updated successfully. Here you can see 1 room is available now. Now I search again 303030. Here you can see name and status have changed. Now I delete this student. Here you can see a message. Details of student payments will also be deleted. Yes, student deleted. Decrease here, leaving local student. If I give a phone number that is not registered, then show a message, student does not exist. International student, I give a phone number 3030 and search, student does not exist. Oh, this phone number is not an international student phone number, it's a local student phone number. 8888 should be an international student phone number. Let's check it. Search. You can see all the information about the 8888 student. If I click on the clear button, you can see all the field values is cleared. Now I edit name, address and click on the update button. Updated successfully. Let's search 8888. You can see name and address successfully updated. Dormitory fish. I give a phone number 5252525555 and click on the search button. You can see a message already payment. Click OK. Student can only make the previous month payment the student already paid the previous month payment. That's why the payment button is set enable false. Now I click on the clear button and let's see another student. I give a phone number 8585858558, and here you can see the student has not paid the previous month payment, so that payment button set enable true. Now I click on the payment button and then show a message payment successfully. Here you can see payment details, payment month, dormitory fees and payment date. Click on the clear button and I give the previous phone number which student is already paid. You can see a message already payment. Now I go back to the manage students and click and search 8585858558 and click on the search button. Now I delete this student. Here you can see a message details of the student payment will also be deleted. Yes, student deleted. Eight five eight five eight five eight five 858 student does not exist, because if I delete a student, all of that student information will be deleted. International students, I use the same logic here as the local students, so I skip this session. Leaving students, here you can see all the local and international leaving students information. Search student here. I can search student using phone number. Leave students. Here you can see all the local and international leaved students information. New employee. Let's add a new employee. I give a name, date of birth, father's name and mother's name, gender. I give a valid email address, and then give a phone number 404040, designation, give present address, and last permanent address. Now I click on the save button and here you can see a message new employee added successfully. If I use a phone number twice, then display a message this phone number already exists, like as add new student. International employees, here I took two additional information for international employees, country name and passport number, and all other information is similar to local employees. I also skip this session. Manage employees. Here I can manage employees information and also I can delete employees. Now I provide a phone number 1254632255 and click on the search button, and then here you can see all the information about this phone number. Now I edit some information. And click on the update button. Here you can see updated successfully. Now I search 404040 phone number employee and click on the delete button. Details of employee salary will also be deleted. Then click on OK. Employee deleted. Employee salary. Now I search 8569523555 and click on the search button. He has not taken the salary for the previous month. Now I click on the payment button. Payment successfully. You can see display the salary information details in the table. Search again an employee who is already taken previous month salary. Phone number 8569523555 and click on. You can see already payment. Working employees. Here you can see all the local and international living employees information, status, working. And lived employees. Here you can see all the local and international employees information, status, not working employees. Now I click on the logout and yes, then it redirects to the login page. That's all about the University Dormitory Management System project. I hope I have covered everything. If you have any question regarding this project, you can contact me using my email. So I hope you have enjoyed this video and I will see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye and thanks for watching.